So I will continue with the dimension and we will see the dimension tools also. And I told you right before in annotate, we can able to take all this to get the dimension. Okay. So we are in 3D mode now. That's why the linear dimension was not visible. So either you can go to the level plans or section where you can able to see this linear and all those dimensions also visible. Okay. Just to take aligned and then you can able to see. I will tell you on linear first. Go to linear. Okay. So you can select the vertical lines like this. Or you can click the endpoints and you can click outside so that it will come. Okay. First point and then the second point. So that's why linear it's having limitation also. Okay. So what we can do in that case, like go to annotate, always you can use aligned itself. So you can directly click like this, the vertical lines, and you can click outside. Okay, this is easy way when comparing to linear. You can also use this to inside also. When we come click this lines, so it is coming the inside also. Okay, the linear aligned dimension. But here we can also go for edit type, and here it is showing continuous. Nah. So what if we are clicking like this? So the click, so click, so click. So this is coming continuous dimension. Are you aware of continuous dimension in AutoCAD also similar to that?
Yeah.
Okay, then what we can do, I can take linear if I'm going for edit type, and if I'm going for duplicating, and then if I'm just not duplicating and I'm going for baseline, click OK. See, now it's changed to baseline. Whatever you had, like it will try to change also. So if you want separate thing, then you need to change that to duplicate and then you can do. Now you got the point, right? Baseline continuous dimension. If you want, then you need to change from the edit type. And we
Yeah, yeah.
also know dimension or dim ORD command in AutoCAD. Similar to that, like we also have, see, it is like ordinate, dim ordinate. So everything from the edit type you need to change the display. By default, continuous. Okay, so this is like linear aligned dimension. And the angular. Angular in the sense like here we know it is 90-degree only. So select the vertical and select the thing 90-degree. But if you have something like a different, then also we can able to see. WA for wall command. Okay. Then I can go to check the, okay, select the angular, select these two lines, and then you can put like this. Okay. Okay. Then like if you have WA and I can go like this. See, this is like a fillet arc. So select these two, and then I'm just using this way. So we got the filleted arc over there, and you can able to try to change the things here. Okay. Now, like I'm
Yeah.
going for radial, and I'm just selecting the radius. Okay. Then I'm going for diameter also. Then it will show you the diameter. You can able to see radius means like R symbol, diameter means D symbol and all. You can see that, right? The diameter, radius, and all. Then arc
Yeah.
length. Arc length, you need to select the arc length in the sense like you need to hide it. First, you need to just hide it. Here you can see the spectacles and hide element. Okay, now like I can go to the arc length. Can you see how I got? You need to select
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
first. Control is Z, and then I'm going for arc length. Select the thing and then select the lines here so that it will try to take the arc length. Okay, then I can able to
Yeah.
reset temporary hider isolate. Okay, now all this dimension we know. Okay, the spot elevation, spot coordinate, this all like we can able to see in section or a 3D view. Okay, so until now like we did all this dimension over here. Okay, so spot elevation, if I'm going here also it will show. See, it is showing 4 feet because that wall height might be 4 feet. See here like why it was 4 feet, which wall we have, concrete 9 inches. That particular point it was showing 4 feet. Why? Because like in the plane, the plan view, the cut plane was 4 feet. You can able to see
Yeah.
here property for the plan. Okay, see you can able to see extend, view range, edit. In this edit, we can able to see the cut plane 4 feet. If you change that, that here also it will change. That's why you can able to see the window, door, and all because based on the cut plane. Okay, so that's why you can able to see the door and window. So you can able to slice the room that you are living in. If you slice that to 4 feet, you can definitely see the doors and windows in the plan. That's why.
Yeah.
But spot coordinate also we can do. See, if I want to use the coordinate for this, see, this is the north and east coordinates for the particular point. Okay.
Yeah.
The spot slope in the sense like we have floor na. In that floor, it will be like we can able to spot the slope. And here also we can no slope, which means like it was straight. Okay, okay. Now what I'm going to do means I told you now how to draw the floor. I'm going for floor and I am just going to draw like this. Okay, just to do this. Okay, then what I can do means like either you can modify sub element and you can able to click this and I'm increasing that size to 2 feet. So you will get a small ramp kind of thing. So we can directly go to the south view. Elevation. So wherever it is visible, I'm just, can you see that this is what we made? Okay, just can't, you can see the slope, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where you can able to go for annotate and then spot slope. You can see the slope how it was, and it will keep on changing if you change the points. When you go for modify sub element and select it, not to 2.5, then it will change. Then you can able to see spot slope also changing. Okay, this you can able to see. edit type. Okay. If you want to underline, italic, bold, and all those things, you can make it. If you want to change something else, units format. In this unit format, rise per 1 foot, right? We can also change this to ratio. This is like this. So whatever you want. Ratio is to 1. Ratio is to, so this symbol also you can make 0:1 ratio, like that. 1:6. This is working correct. 1:6 slope. Okay, 1:2 ratio and then symbol. Okay. But by default it was rise per 1 foot. Okay. And then surplus 0 feet, surplus spaces. So you can able to see that 0 feet it's going away, only it's showing the inches. Okay. This way, like we can able to use all the annotation tools over here. Okay. Okay. Alternate dimension, if you want, like what we can do means like we can go to the architect itself. I want to show this in the MM also. Then what we can do, go to edit type. No, you need to select the particular dimension, then we can go to edit type. So here all this you can change. So colors, the patterns, line pattern, line weights, you can able to see here. This is primary unit, na? So we can also go to alternate units and I can put below and alternate units format mm, that you can choose whatever you want. I want in mm only, or I can go to meters, but unit symbol I can put meter. Click OK, then apply, then OK. Then you can see it is like 8 meter, 27 feet. But if you want to see the decimals also, select edit type. So alternate unit prefix we all suffix we also have here. No need to put separately. If you want separately also prefix or suffix you can do. But unit symbol we have, no need to worry. We can go to round off to 3 decimal places. So it will be like this. Okay, this is the accurate. Got it? So it will come everywhere because we not duplicated. So everywhere it will try to change. Okay, this dimension again, if you want to make it bigger, we can just select here. So accordingly, everything also getting bigger or smaller from this. This we also seen before in the color scheme itself from
Yeah.
here. Okay.